Bitcoin just passed $69,000 per coin. It's been trading in the range of $55,000 per coin to $70,000 per coin for about the last 7 months. And there's been a lot of false starts where it looked like it was going to finally break out of that range for good. Bitcoin's been going up aggressively the last number of days, the last week or so, and it feels like it's about to reach escape velocity. And what typically happens is when it does reach that escape velocity, it tends to rise very quickly. So hopefully after 7 months, it feels like we've finally completely exhausted everyone who wants to get off this train. And as soon as we've exhausted everyone who wants to get off this train, then there's nobody selling, or there's not a wall of people selling when the price starts to take off. So all the stars seem to be aligned. I don't know if it'll be today or tomorrow. That'll be the last time you can buy Bitcoin for less than $70,000, but it feels like the rocket is leaving the launch pad, and it feels like we're about to start the next big bull, meaning up market, positive, optimistic up market. It feels like we're about to start that, and it feels like we're leaving the launch pad. So could be a false alarm. That's always a possibility. We could be stuck back in this range for even longer. But I don't know. It sure feels like we've reached escape velocity. So if you're sitting around thinking, does Joel Baumgar think now is a fantastic time to finish buying whatever Bitcoin you were planning to buy in these $50,000 to $55,000 to $70,000 range we've been in for most of the last 7 months? Yes, the answer is yes. It seems like a fantastic time to buy as much Bitcoin as you possibly could before we leave this range for good, which looks like it might happen today or tomorrow or something like that, and that may be the last time we ever see prices sub $70,000 ever again. I don't know. There's no way of knowing that, but it certainly feels like all the stars are aligned for the rocket to leave the launch pad and to head toward escape velocity. So anyway, it's just looking, every single indicator is just looking really, really, really positive. So hopefully that helps if you're trying to make a decision on the last allocation that you're trying to get into Bitcoin before we hopefully leave the $60,000 range once and for all. So that's what it feels like from reading all the news feeds and following all the news and every scrap of information on Twitter and everything else. Hope that helps. Have a wonderful night, everyone. Thanks.